Okay, try again. Camera likes to keep playing me up recently. Okay, what we're going to do now is press fit these. We've got to heat these up, heat the rods up, heat this end up till it's blue, and then push them in and you press fit them in through there. I'll show you. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Zoom in there a touch. There we go. Right, so there's a bit of noise because this is going to be on for at least 3 or 4 minutes. Literally got all of 2 or 3 seconds once you push this in. But the judging pin hasn't been put in the freezer. A lot of people put them in the freezer. You can put them in as long as they're just normal cold temperature, which is what we're in, as long as you heat them all rod up. Check something. It's making sure I'm in the right orientation. You know what to do, second guess yourself. Right, let's press that back in there. Bring that back up again. You only want to nip that, so it's just enough for you to hold it. And I know you can't see the flame, but that's what we're doing, just with a normal gas torch, going too fancy. Really ready. Alright, we're really ready there. Make sure we've got your indents to the back, and here, poke it in, get it centred, and leave it alone. And that's it. Give it a little bit of squirty there, a little bit, see where it's nice and hot. Just a little bit of lubrication, just to cool it down as well at the same time, so that the gudgeon pin fits in nicely. And there you go, nice and clear, all back in the centre. That's moving nicely, moving freely in and out. There we go. As it cools down it gets even more freer. There we go, look at that, beautiful, absolutely perfect. And I'll do that with the other 7, which we're not going to do on camera because it's just a lot of noise. You don't want to hear that noise. I'll show you one. Thanks for watching that. Okay. Right, now we'll install the rings. The pistons. We'll do just one because we don't want to see all 8. No need to see all 8. These need to be offset. So let's put it in the bottom there. There. Okay, right, now we'll install the rings in the pistons. These all need to be offset. So there's the first one. Next one. Two of those. These don't matter which way they go. So So we've got opening there, so they're not joined together, you don't lap them. Next one will go somewhere around here, right the way through. So we've put that one in the bottom. That's at the bottom, it goes there. And the next one will go here. Top of the ring. Stop in there. Now we'll get our next one. Second one down. This one. There's nothing on these ones. Chamfer, there's no chamfer on there, which means that goes either way. So we got there, there, there. So now we need to go here and here. So use our special tool. Do that. All the way over. Turn that round. So we've got that on that side. Down there. Top one. Be a dot on here. And the dot is at the top. There's the dot. At the top of there. Open him up. Put him in there. That goes that way, like so. Now we can install that into the block. First and foremost, we need our ring. Pull up. So we can tighten these up. On top of that. Careful with these because they are sharp. Put them up nice and tight. These in there. That's good enough. So now stop that for a second, and then we'll go to the